Start twerking right now.
Oh shit, you ain't gotta tell me twice, bitch. That bitch was big as shit like this dick. When I pulled the dick out, I pulled the tick out and the tick was sucking on my dick and my dick was thick. When it was thick, it was small. When I was small, it was thick. I'm in this bitch with a tick on my dick. Oh shit, what the fuck y'all laughing at, bitches? That nigga got a Drew on mustache.
You look like Diddy.
Oh, you gay.
I can't do too much with this fucking broken hand.
How you break your
Stop
shit?
beating your shit so hard, fam. You gonna start breaking your hand. You gonna whack it all too hard.
I'm gonna did that shit. I had sprained my shit.
Do you be twerking?
Yeah,
I'm
but
gay.
do y'all be sucking dick?
I'm gay.
That don't mean you don't
How
suck
many
dick.
coochies you done ate?
Like 10.
Damn, dirty mouth, coochie mouth, ew, bitch.
Start twerking right now. Then I'll tell you.
Shit, you ain't gotta tell me twice, bitch.
Yeah, start twerking.
You
Start.
gotta tell me twice.